Yeah, we don't do cold calling. It's ineffective and it is a waste of time from my perspective. So what we do is spend time developing relationships with individuals that have challenges, and we solve those challenges, and it's helpful. But getting together one-on-one and talking to somebody about the challenges they're facing is the best way to get to a long-standing relationship. And then after the meetings, we follow up. We usually have a phone call after that, but it's never good to start with a cold phone call. You have to first establish rapport and trust and confidence, and all that happens face to face.
Oh my goodness, so much better. Even if they don't have an immediate need right now, it's an opportunity for them to hear about our organization, but it's seeing someone face to face. You make that connection. I've learned something personal about everyone that I met today, simply because you're in the moment and you're able to share as industry professionals, versus on a cold call, you just don't make those deep, rich connections that I think are long lasting.
Well, what's great about the face-to-face meeting is they viewed my profile and they've picked me. So with that, they're already engaged, they're already interested, and so that the ice has been broken, and so we're going to have a conversation, and so we're already 2 steps ahead in the process versus a cold call or a blind meeting at a trade show.